This is our 1973 Volkswagen Thing. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there'll be a very slow-paced walk around to the outside of the car, and then there'll be some clips of the interior as well as the engine running. We're selling the car in consignment on behalf of a gentleman in Michigan who has owned it since 2014. What's so cool about this car is that it actually has a Porsche Type 4 motor in it. Check out the listing for a write-up of all the engine modifications because they are significant, but it's a total hot rod. Almost 2400cc, 9.5 to 1 compression. Really, really killer hot rod. The body was restored and painted in 1996, and the color is actually new at the time, Dodge Viper yellow. We do have the stock wheels, the Steelies with hubcaps. They're on good tires, and those will come with the car as well. And we do have the stock rear flares. The ones that are on there are fiberglass, but the other ones will come with it. The top was new about 20 years ago. Really, really nice shape. No punctures, no scuffs. The side curtains fit in there really well, and they seal up. It does look like it would probably be waterproof. During the restoration, the doors and quarters were replaced. New parts from the trim shop. So this thing was restored to a high standard. Paint looks really good. There's no spots of, dust nibs or paint run. Clearly done right. The wheels that are on there now are centerline, actually 10-inch in the rear, seriously wide. BFG radial TAs are in good shape. Lights and signals are functional. The windscreen does fold down. You can see the black vinyl interior. Looks good. Car actually has both perforated rubber floor mats and the wooden duck boards, which is cool to see. Speakers have been added in this rear cargo area. Functional, sound great. Dolby radio up front. Odometer gauges, a tach and an oil pressure gauge have been added, both functional. Odometer reads just under 35,000 miles, true mileage unknown. Of course, it's not the original engine.